The other area where we did a significant amount of work is on the Android platform support. There is a requirement to move to at least API level 31 for new applications and next November for updates. That's something we want to provide because we were supporting Android level 30 until recently. Now we kind of went ahead a bit and moved to API level 32, which is already available from Google. And that's the version that we support today. Now, notice only one caveat that you need to make sure that your Android manifest template is actually updated to the latest version if you want to support that API level. The manifest does change a couple of settings that, of course, you can manually tweak. But if you are just using an old application that you built in the past and just recompile it, you're not going to have the proper configuration for API level 32. Similarly, if you update your Delphi 11 or RAD Studio 11 from 11.0 to 11.2, because we're not removing and replacing all of the additional doc files in your application configuration, that you are probably going to have the old manifest as well. So if you're just doing an update, I mean, which is still an uninstall, reinstall, but maintaining compatibility of existing files, you might need to double check the XML template you're starting with. The requirement for moving to the new API level is also to install a new SDK, which is now part of the RAD Studio installation. And the requirement for the new SDK is actually to have at least version 11 of the JDK. So we are also providing a new JDK as part of the product installation. So again, you can of course install your own JDK and install the SDK manually. But if you are not, you need to replace the ones that you had as part of 11.0 or 11.1 with the new ones because they are different and they are required for some of the new features that Google basically mandates for the store support. Now, this also involves improvements for local notifications, which also need the new manifest and specific settings. There are new user permissions. Again, it's something you might have to fine tune in your existing application. And we support the new key store model and encryption level. So overall, there are a lot of new features in the Android API enablement integration. They're really very nice and provide a good experience when targeting the latest devices and the latest API.